previously on this channel, we were at 10,100 or 10,035. We said we were going to go up into the force field and then down again. For those of you out there that followed such prophecies, congratulations. Now, I'm not going to sit here and relish on the fact that we nailed it, just like we have been nailing, especially the second half of this triangle back to back, because nobody understands more than me that it is not what you did for me yesterday, it's what you can do for me today and tomorrow. Now, in this video, we are exactly 7 days away from the official Backstreet Boys release. And I'm starting to see that those who were once so bullish on back because it's backed by Bitcoin, but it's bullish, it's backed by Bitcoin, are now starting to change their tune. They are changing their tune, and for good reason, because folks, we have seen this before. This is a dud missile that is going to explode, and in my opinion, to the downside. Now, this is what I believe. This is not financial advice. This is not a signal. This is merely what a man with a mask believes. And he's putting it on YouTube. Now, I don't know how big this next little drop's going to be. It could be a big one, could be a little one. I don't know. But I do know that we have seen this before. And when we are getting pushed against this force field and it's getting rejected, bang! Bitcoin is going to look for new life and new movement, and it cannot find it to the upside. It must find it to the downside. We see on the transaction, on the money flow, we have breached. We know there's always a comeback. She will breach again lower. The momentum is to the downside, and it is going to continue. Looking at the Sig Sauer, we see we have she bang, another little mini bang, just barely sticking out right here. It's going to be a good one. Going to the downside. And there are many indications that are neutral. It's just we're kind of in the middle. I'm telling you, that's more pointing to the down. We are breaching into the force field, and it is holding. She's going down. I repeat, she's going down. Now, have I been wrong before? I have. Maybe not that many times. There may have been 4 or 5 times in my public YouTube career that I've been wrong. And those are the ones that all the trolls and worms try to bring up time and time again. They try to find losses from years ago and try to use those against me, but they choose to fear the substantial amount of wins, the daily wins that me and my people accrue. So if you're one of those people, screw you. But it's okay, because those people don't matter. What matters is you. That's right, you. I'm talking to you. Taking a look at the hourly. Got a little something on the hourly. I'm not really trading the scalps. The moves are very small. There's really not much here unless you're pumping hard and high leverage, trying to capitalize on these small little $50 moves. Anyways, I have things to do. So I'm going to go get ready, but we are at that time where I felt it was important to come out and, as a good king, do my best so that my people can eat. And that my people are prepared for the worst case scenario. So, we'll see what happens, but I believe that I was one of the first, if not the first, that drew this little coming down to the triangle, hanging on for dear life, and then dying. That's actually back here. This is actually, I drew this quickly, but whatever. Coming down here and dying. This could be the time. This could be the time where we get pushed down to the bottom. So, good luck. Godspeed. And no matter what you think or what you do, I hope you end up on the right side. And protect yourself. Don't do anything stupid. Which means over leveraging or overdoing your position. You can do it. You can be disciplined. And I know it's hard in these times of low volume. Your greed is hungry, but I assure you that soon it will be fulfilled. Because there will be a time where there is major movement, major opportunity. So good luck. Go to CryptoFaceCrypto.com if you want Market Cipher and a whale crew. And I'll see you guys then. Peace.